I'm sending shots, these niggas they old. That boy rare, you know that he told. Like a granddad, I walk with that pole. Nike check from my head to my toe.
So this guy right here, this is ultimate like redneck fun right here. Granted it's a V6, but I mean, who cares when you're doing that with it. This is nice. This dude put a Datsun on his turbo. I respect it. Tub, parachute, 1320 video sticker. Probably has a license plate. It does. So yeah, I mean, he means business. Let's see what this vet's all about. Alright. Not bad. Was hoping for a little bit more, but I can't complain. You're in probably a C7Z. I wouldn't do too much craziness either. You know, at first I was like, these dudes have skill. And then I realized this is not real life because Mustangs can't do that and not hit each other. Rest in peace to that car, for sure. Granted, it looks like a video game, but besides the point. We already know what these type of people are like, and they get down. Much love to them. I mean, he avoided one, missed the other. Gotta watch out for those Kias now, noted. This dude. So true. I respect it though. Yeah, don't you love people that like this? Like they cause the issue and then they get mad. It's like, why are you mad for? That dude got so lucky. Alright, I don't know if this is sped up or not. I don't think it is because the people aren't sped up and that car is definitely sped up. So that was insane. I mean, Cobra, Honda, stick shift anything sounds sick when it's fast. Rollback Ruben's going to turn into probably like Healy's Ruben because he's not going to be driving a car anytime soon, poor guy. That thing got a lot more sideways than I expected. Oh, a big ouch. Unfortunate.
Real or fake?
Definitely fake. No way it's real. When they got chickens on sale. Unfortunate. You know, honestly, he came out pretty lucky. This dude, in fact, did not come out lucky. This dude's pants probably didn't come out lucky. Cobalt was absolutely flying.
Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God!
God damn. Look at that motherfucker.
Hey! Hey, you can't park there! You can't park there!